To cook a potato in the microwave, start by rinsing your potatoes to remove any dirt. To make a baked potato, take a fork and poke the potato 4 to 5 times to allow steam to escape while cooking. Place your potato on a microwave-safe dish and microwave on high for 3 minutes. Check your potato and continue to cook in 1-minute intervals until it reaches your desired doneness, up to 5 minutes total. Carefully remove the potato, garnish it with your favorite toppings and serve. To make roasted potatoes, cut your potato into 1-inch cubes and place them in a microwave-safe dish. Add your choice of seasonings and toss until completely coated. Cover the dish and place it in the microwave. Cook on high for 5 to 10 minutes. If the pieces still seem hard and undercooked, return them to the microwave and continue checking at 1-minute intervals. Once they are done, carefully remove them and enjoy. To make mashed potatoes, place your whole potato on a microwave-safe dish, then cover it and cook for 5 minutes on high. Remove your potato and run it under cold water for 15 seconds to cool. Next, make a cut on the side of the potato and peel the skin until it is removed entirely. Place the potato in a bowl and add a half cup, 4 ounces of milk, half cup, 4 ounces of sour cream or plain yogurt, and 1 tablespoon, 0.5 ounces of butter. Using a potato masher or large fork, mash until smooth. Add salt and pepper to taste and enjoy.